Hello friends, how are you? Are you also coming to the Security Guard job? Okay, today in this video I am going to write some security guard companies of Dubai, UAE, which you must look and try to come in good security guard company. Now not to delay, let's start the video, and now I am going to write the some companies name, which companies I have seen in Dubai. Yes. First, TransGuard. It is top security guard companies of Dubai. You can see everywhere this company security guard. TransGuard. Okay. Similarly, G4S Security Solutions or G4S Security Services. Same way, we want security services. This is also biggest security guard company. Similarly, Arkan Security Services. This is also good security guard company. Okay. Now I am going to rub. Similarly, Concordia Security Services. It is also biggest top 10 security guard company. Spark Security Services, friend. This is also good security guard company. Skillforce Security Services. Yes, in this way, Al Jawar Security Services. Okay, again I am going to rub small whiteboard, friend. Yes. United Security Services, USG shortcut, and First Security Services. In this way, Harnex Security Services. Yes. Hemaya Security Services. And also tell me, friends, in which company you are working. Yes. Best Security Services. Same way, Middle East Security Services. Same way, Capital Force Security Services. Same way, Magnum Security Services. Yes. Same way, Spartus. Oh, Spartus. This company is not famous. Spartus Security Services. First Sec and Safety Security Services. Empower Energy Solutions, sustainable also company name. Empower Energy Solution. First type of company's name. Prestige Security Services. Prestige Security Services. Same way, Citizen Security Services. Citizen Security Services. Libra Security Services. Libra Security Services. Shaker Plus. Shaker Plus Security Services. Landmark. Landmark Security Services. Same way, Accelerate. Accelerate Security Services. Now same as friend Falcon. Falcon Security Services. Power Security Services. Power Security Services. CISB. CISB Security Services. In this way, Focus Power, not only power, Focus Power. Focus Power Security Services, friend. Same way, Aminco. Aminco Security Services. Ultimate Security Services. Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye Security Services. Security Services I am not written, otherwise video will be long. Listen only carefully. Washer Security Services. Main name I am going to write. Washer Security Services. Same way, Modest Security Services, friend. Same way, Blue Diamond. Blue Diamond Security Services. Yes, same way, Lahez and Sultan. Lahez and Sultan Security Services, friend. Same way, MBK Security Services. MBK Security Services. Special Security Services. Special Security Services. Same way, Benite Security Services. Affordable Security Services, friend. Now I am checking recording or not, just Now Delta Security Services, friend. A plus or in this A plus also think. A plus security services, Technowell, Technowell security services, Key-Tech security services, Key-Tech security services, Stargate security services, Stargate security services. Now Hera security services, Hera security services, Royal Falcon security services, friend. Same way ProGuard security services. Same way Guard Force, just guard front. Guard Force security services, Smart Elite security services. Yes, friend. In this way, First Choice security services, First Choice security services, Al Nagma Al Farida, Al Nagma Al Farida, Intel security services, Professional security services, Professional security services or professional security systems, friend. Al Harasi security services. Same way, Reserve Moabite, Reserve Moabite security services, Al Falan security services, friend. Al Qadma Al Sharia, Al Qadma Al Sharia General Security Services, Top Star Security Services, Top Star Security Services, security services not I am written, Emirates National Security Services, same way Gulf Fidelity Security Services, Berkeley Security Services, Clairvoyant Force, Clairvoyant Force Security Services. Now Ready Force Security Services. Okay. Sunbright Security Services. Just above companies also. Sunbright Security Services. Wells Security Services. Apex Professional. Then Professional Security Services, friend. Delman Security Services. Sec Golf Security Services. Paragon Security Services. Bin Hindi Security Services. Inaya Security Services. Loyal Force Security Services. Loyal, not royal. Loyal Force Security Services. Reliance Force Security Services. Reliance. Then Force Security Services. Orient Security Services. Orient Security Services, friend. Al Manal Security Services. Omnitech Security Services. Future Security Services. In this way, Imril Security Services. Tajgar Security Services. D-Force Security Services, friend. Retail Security Services. Preferred Security Services. Black Eagle Security Services. Friend. M3 Force. Its office is in G4S camp. Office near to G4S. M3 Force. Dragoons. What types of name? Dragoons. It is also good security guard company. Dragon Security Services. Twist Line. A Trust Line Security Services, friend. Quick Reaction Security Services. Same way, Full Circle Security Services. Now, in which company you are coming? Tell me in comment box. Again, my request, if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Affordable guarding. Affordable, then guarding security services. 365 security services. Yes. Blinks security services. This is Yale. Blinks security services. ICHAM security services is also good security guard company. ICHAM, new security guard, not old. Civilian security guard. Civilian security services. AJ, shortcut name. AJ security guard services. Now same as CT Tech. Not so good security guard company. CT Tech security services. BSR security services. Same as Eternity security services. Average good security guard company. Line Force security services. MAC security services. EMAK, MAC security services. All Mufet security services, friend. Same way, Eurogard security services. Able security services, not good. Okul staffing facility management. Okul staffing facility management, just above company's name. Saiban security services. EO security services. EO security services. Almost now going to finish security guard company's name. SK Solutions Facilities. Every good security guard company. Now Perfect Protection security services. QRS security services. What types of name companies? QRS security services. 365 security services. In this way 365 आगे दूसरा लिखा 3 लेके वर्ड में तस्वीर 65. Now direct 365. This not so good security guard company, like a supply security guard company it is. Al Watan security services. Altanmia it is big supply company, supplies but company it is. Platinum security services. Platinum security services. Okay, friend. Now Al Nava security services don't come in this company. It is very small and supply company. Can also not security guard company in this company, friend. Canopy Security Services. Emirates Security Services. Emirates Security Services. Average Good. Al Ikhlas Guard Security Services. Al Ikhlas Security Services. Sometimes hiring. I have not seen. Alpha Security Services. Alpha Security Services. Now MBR1 Security Services, giving 2000 salary, good security guard company. EMG last. Oh no. Okay, just finished. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Again, my request, please subscribe my